Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Based on topic 3. What is the traditional religion of the Nagas? So here these are the very short question answers. So either in one word or in one liner we have to give the answer here. So the traditional religion of Nagas, if we talk about, that is animism. So one word answer can be given, but along with that you have to mention the complete sentence here, that animism is the traditional religion of the Nagas. The second one they have asked, who was the first Christian missionaries to Nagaland? So we have to mention Rev. Miles Branson was the first Christian missionary to Nagaland. So based on the short question answers, what are some of the benefits that come with the acceptance of Christianity? So here we have to mention about that what benefits were there when the Christianity was adopted in Nagaland. So if we talk about the acceptance of Christianity, although brought so many other benefits, the major impact was there in education system, education and healthcare. It was Christianity only which brought modern education to Nagaland. And it also brought and provided the first written literature in the Naga society. Christianity was the only one which gave the idea of health and hygiene. So here we can say Christianity was the one which worked as the wheel of the westernization. It was Christianity only which brought westernization, as well as it led Nagaland to be the modern region. Discuss about the traditional religion of the Nagas. So here you have to mention about, if we talk about the traditional religion of the Nagas, so that is animism, and animism is the belief that all objects, both animates and inanimates, the movable and immovable, are inhabited by spirits. And there are two types of spirits here. All those things you have to mention: the benevolent, the kind one, and the helpful. Another one is malevolent, the bad, which are considered as the bad spirit, which can lead to the destructions and can even harm the people in the society. And if we talk about other concept of this traditional religion of Nagaland, you have to mention, because this is going to be your essay type, long question answer it is. So here you have to mention that traditional Naga religion did not believe in heaven and hell, but they had a belief that after the death, the spirit of a person went to the land of dead. So there is a close link between living and dead. Another important feature of these traditional religion was the observance of the Jaina days. So that point also you have to mention here with explanation. And then finally you can mention that traditional Naga religion was much more than the simple animism, means simply following or having the belief in these spirits does not mean animism. It was beyond that. It was a well organized system of beliefs and the different practices here. It also gave the meaning to the life and supported the social organization in the society. So in this way you are going to explain the whole answer. The next one they have asked, based on the same topic, discuss the advent of Christianity in Nagaland, means when the Nagaland was started or initiated in Naga society. So here we can say that Christianity, if we talk about, it is of recent origin, though a few Naga became Christian during the first half of the 18th century only. But regular missionary work, if we talk about, it was started only after 1871. and the arrangement made by the Britishers, the colonial power, were like that different parts of the Assam, it were assigned to the different missionaries. And if we talk about this Naga Hill in Nagaland, that was allotted to American Baptist missionaries. Then you have to mention the name of all the main missionaries, those who were involved in bringing the change in the Naga society by opening up the different schools and involving more and more students in the same. And the main purpose of that, if we talk about here, was the conversion of the people, just influencing them to change their religion. But if we talk about beside that, some improvement or the some benefit were found for the Naga society that were related to the education system. The education was introduced there, as well as the modern education, we can say. Modern education as well as the health conditions were improving, because these missionaries were also spreading the ideas about the health and hygiene. So all these points you have to mention, and you have to mention all the names of the famous missionaries, those who played important role here in Naga society. You can mention about E.W. Clark, C.D. King also. So all these names will be added on.